Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and hundreds more with low fees and a huge number of tools for experienced investors. Binance is an excellent choice for experienced cryptocurrency traders all over the world who want access to a diverse range of currencies as well as profit-maximizing features. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. The video is for informational and educational purposes only. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to go over the Binance Exchange review. So, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos. So, without further ado, let's get into it. How to register on Binance. Visit Binance.com and click on Register button. After that, select Sign Up with phone or email. To clarify, you're going to set up this account for personal use. Now, enter your email address and password. After that, click on I have read and agree to Binance's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Now, click on Create Personal Account. Now, we will have to verify your email address. Click on Get Code. Now, enter the verification that has been sent to your email address. Now, click on Verify Now. Then, you will be prompted to identify your country. In my case, it is Pakistan. Now, click on Continue. In order to complete the registration process, you will need to confirm your nationality, enter your first name, last name, and middle name. Lastly, enter your date of birth. After that, enter your residential address and postal code. Finally, click on Continue. After that, you will have to enter your national ID and passport. Congratulations, you have successfully registered on Binance. Now let's talk about the two most common ways to buy cryptocurrencies on Binance P2P and using a credit card or debit card. How to buy crypto on Binance P2P. First, open the Binance app and make sure you are already logged in. To access the P2P trading interface, go to the homepage and click Buy from Vendors. Select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy from the Buy tab. For this example, let's purchase USDT with RUB. Make RUB the default currency. Then you can see various USDT adverts, which have been posted by users or merchants. Keep in mind the available amount and limit for each AD. Choose a merchant with whom you wish to do business and click Buy to place your order. Enter the amount you wish to buy, for example, 1,000 RUB. This indicates that you'll buy 1,000 RUBs worth of USDT and click Buy USDT. You've placed a USDT buy order. The order details and payment information for the seller will then be displayed. Copy the payee information and use it to make the payment as directed. After you've made your payment, click Mark as paid and then confirm. The vendor will release the cryptocurrency after receiving payment confirmation, and the status will be changed to be released. When the transaction is completed, the cryptocurrencies will be available in your fiat wallet. You can then transfer the funds to a fiat wallet and begin trading crypto to crypto. How to buy crypto using credit or debit card on Binance Web. Visit Binance.com, scroll in the top left corner on the Buy Crypto, and click on the Credit/Debit Card option. Then, using the drop-down menu or search box, choose the crypto you want to purchase. In this case, Bitcoin. Enter the quantity you want to buy. By clicking on the currency icon at the top, you can select the currency with which you want to pay. When you're finished, select the payment method. You can purchase cryptos with a cash balance, a credit card, or other methods. Fiat balance. In some countries, customers can buy using a fiat balance, a cash balance, or deposit fiat currencies into their Binance wallet. If the balance is insufficient, you can replenish it through the deposit channel. Buy crypto with the bank card. However, the most common method is to purchase cryptocurrency using a bank card. If this is your first time purchasing cryptocurrencies with a card, you must add a new card. Then review the order details. The total amount includes the Bitcoin price as well as the handling fee. If everything appears to be in order, click Confirm to proceed. Please keep in mind that you may be required to submit your identification verification, 3DS safety certification at the time of purchase. When you make the payment, your acquired cryptocurrency will be transferred straight to your Binance Fiat and Spot wallet. So let's go over exchange's features, trading options, and so on. Then there are markets, trades, derivatives, earn, finance, and the newly added NFTs. So let's start trading. So after we hover over Trade, we can go to Convert and simply see how much the conversion rate will be from one cryptocurrency to another. And then if we go to the Classic Trade model, it will open up a graph that will allow us to see all of the many possibilities that we have for trading any coin or cryptocurrency. So this graph is similar to the old Simple model. They do have a more advanced one that we will look into as well, but this one is also quite detailed as well, so you can see all of the different options. And, as I mentioned, we can also go to the more advanced model, which will have more details, and just take that, you have a better understanding of how the exchange is going to work. But if you do have that knowledge and you're ready to analyze it, this is another great option where you can look at the specific rates and just exchanges that you can do. They also have margin trading if you want to do it. However, Classic and Advanced are the two most commonly utilized. Margin trading is definitely an option. So, on the trading icon, they also have P2P trade, strategy trading, swap farming, and fan token options. Now, if we click here to Wallet, we'll see all of the different wallets that you can store it in. So personally, I recommend utilizing an offline wallet, which means having a private address, a real wallet where you can put all your coins, because when you buy cryptocurrency on these platforms and maintain it on an online wallet, you don't have full control over that money. So I'll include some links to the best physical wallets, such as the Ledger Nano X and Trezor below, so be sure to look them up. It is also important to note that you'll be able to see your orders, such as spot order, margin order, futures order, P2P order, dual investment order, earned history from your orders, buy crypto history, so whatever cryptocurrency you bought, you'll be able to track the history here, loan history, convert history, launchpad history, and payment history. In addition, if you live in another nation and English is not your first language, they provide a selection of languages in which you can use the site. Not only can you choose the language, but you can also choose any currency to be the platform's primary currency. And I believe that pretty much covers everything about Binance. Now, let's look at the security and customer support of Binance. Security at Binance. Binance offers security protections to protect your assets from external malpractice. A hacker can't access your Binance account without your phone. If you log in from a new device or IP address, you must confirm it with your registered email. You can also receive email notifications for account services like withdrawals. Customer support at Binance. When the crypto craze of late 2017 was in full force, Binance experienced a significant wave of new account applications. The throughput was so high that the platform had to temporarily suspend new registrations. With that being said, Binance has since increased its customer support team by a considerable amount. If you do need to make contact with somebody at Binance, you can submit a ticket request via your account portal. Alternatively, if you are using Binance Jersey for your fiat currency needs, then you can access a 24/7 live chat facility. The platform is social media friendly. If you haven't heard back, try Telegram and Twitter. Binance Review. The verdict? In summary, it's easy to see why Binance is now one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the industry. With customers offered super low trading fees, hundreds of crypto-to-crypto trading pairs to choose from, and enhanced security features, Binance is an excellent choice if you're looking for a new exchange to join. Having said that, what do you think about the Binance exchange? Please let us know in the comment section below. Any questions about these procedures can also be asked in the comment section. Make sure to also check out the link to sign up on Binance in the description down below. That's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video if you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.